Hey guys, in this video I'm going to demonstrate the live activities feature on the iPhone lock screen. So with live activities, it is a feature on the iPhone lock screen. It will display real-time information and give you interactive updates from apps that stay visible without needing to unlock your iPhone or constantly check notifications. So for example, some of the live activities that can show on your lock screen are like delivery tracking progress, Uber or rideshare arrival updates, spot scores that update live. You can get things like workout progress, timers and countdowns, flight status, and live navigation info. Now to use this feature, you need to turn it on. So you can turn it on by going back to your home screen. And on your home screen, you go into settings. Then we scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. Next, enter in your passcode. And then we scroll down. Here, you turn on live activities. Make sure you tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Then if you go to your lock screen, if there are activities, it will display on your lock screen here. So these are live activities on your lock screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.